Today I'm using my book, Whispers of Heaven. And in it I wrote, I know my good is at hand. I see this good in persons, places, and things. Nothing but goodness can come from me and return to me. So let's put these words of wisdom to work in our lives. We can do it through affirmative prayer. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. If I say something that worked for you, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work for you, well, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one God, one mind, and one power. And this power is perfect love, it's divine intelligence. And this power is flowing through me, with me, and for me. It is lifting me up to have a greater understanding. It is showing me the whole picture of life. So today I can turn loose of my fears and doubts and worries. I know that I have a partner in life, and this partner is divine love. It is with me, and it is showing me a greater way to live in more love, joy, and happiness. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.